and some of them are cut vertically up and down and horizontally. How do you cut your sandwich when you cut it into 4 pieces? Do you do a diagonal or do you do vertically and horizontally? All right, here we have a pizza and it's cut into quarters or fourths. There are 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all the same size. If we're talking about this one section here that's colored blue, we would say 1/4 is colored blue. And how many is not colored? 1, 2, 3. So we would say 3/4 of the circle is not colored. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 is not colored, and 1/4 is colored. Here you can see the pizza's cut into quarters or fourths, and one of those pieces is one of the 4 pieces, or 1/4. Here you can see a donut is cut into 4 equal pieces, and some more sandwiches cut 2 different ways into 4 equal pieces. Kit Kats, those are my favorites. Kit Kats are really good chocolate bars for sharing because you'll see there are 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you break it, it will break into 4 equal pieces. There you go. Kit Kats are perfect to share between 4 friends. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Which of these shapes show quarters or fourths? 4 equal parts. Does this heart show 4 equal parts? No, it only shows 2 equal parts. What about this triangle? Does it show 4 equal parts? No, these 2 pieces are much smaller than these 2 pieces. Even though there's 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are not the same size. What about this rectangle? Does it show quarters or fourths? 4 equal pieces? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the heart? It has 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they all equal? No, they are not. The 2 top pieces are much bigger than the 2 bottom pieces. What about this circle? Does it show quarters or fourths? 4 equal parts? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the same size. What about this rectangle? Does it show quarters or fourths? Yeah. Oops, sorry, that should say yes. It does show quarters or fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal pieces. The next one has 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, does it have 4 equal pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 pieces. But are they equal? Are they all the same size? No. This piece and this piece are much smaller. All right, talking about M&Ms, another favorite chocolate of mine. So here we have 12 M&Ms and 4 friends. Bob, Sam, Fred, and Kevin. How many would each of them get? Here we go. You can see of the 12 M&Ms, sorry, I was going to say Smarties. It says I wrote Smarties here by accident. They would each get 3. 3 for Bob, 3 for Sam, 3 for Fred, and 3 for Kevin. They all have a quarter of the Smarties. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. All right, so one whole, we're talking about the whole chocolate bar or the whole pizza. Half, we're talking about half of the pizza or half of the chocolate bar. A quarter, we're talking about a quarter of the pizza or a quarter of the chocolate bar. For half, we're dividing into 2 equal pieces. 1, 2, 1, 2. And quarter, we're dividing into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here's the follow-up task. And there I put some minions in for you guys. So here's the follow-up task. It's sorting activity. And what you have to do is you need to sort, okay, all of these fractions, okay? The fractions that show a half, which means you have two equal pieces, go here. For example, the star, you have two equal pieces, okay? So it goes here. Here you put shapes that have fourths or quarters, four equal pieces, okay? So for example, this square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. So it goes under four equal pieces, fourths or quarters. Shapes that are whole, they're not cut at all. For example, this square, okay, or this circle would go under one whole. Okay, so you sort the shapes. Here you have to sort between a half, which means two equal pieces, and not a half. Okay, so for example, this square is cut into two equal pieces. 1, 2, they're the same size. So it would go under half, two equal pieces. This circle here is not cut in half. This piece is much smaller than this piece, so it is not a half. So it would go over here. For the last one, you're sorting between fourths and quarters, which is four equal pieces. For example, this square, 1, 2, 3, 4. All four pieces are the same size, okay? That would go up here. And shapes that do not show a fourth. For example, this one here is cut into four pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, but they are not all the same size. These two pieces are smaller, so this shape would go under not a fourth. Please send me your work. Have fun. Take care.